How to reduce animations on Reddit app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reduce animations on Reddit app. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit. You will find the home page. Now click on the top corner, click on your avatar and then go down to settings, and after that you will find reduce animations option. Click on enable. As you can see, now it's enabled, and if you want to disable it, just click on it like that. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you so much.